The 2025 Peugeot T208 finally arrives with a refreshed identity, offering a perfect balance between modern electric mobility and French automotive elegance. This new iteration of Peugeot's popular hatchback builds on the success of its predecessor, incorporating updated styling, improved technology, and enhanced performance, making it a compelling option in the growing segment of compact electric vehicles. The A2 Art's striking design is sharper than ever, marked by Peugeot's new logo, a sleeker front grille, and more aggressive LED lighting signatures. These enhancements give the car a futuristic yet familiar face that continues to attract urban drivers who want both style and substance. Under the hood, the 2025 Manfi 208 boasts a more powerful and efficient electric motor. Now delivering 156 horsepower, it improves acceleration and overall driving dynamics while maintaining smooth, silent performance typical of EVs. More importantly, the upgraded 51 kWh battery pack increases the range to approximately 250 miles, WLTP, addressing one of the most crucial factors for potential EV buyers. With faster charging capabilities, up to 100 kW using a DC fast charger, the E208 can replenish 80% of its battery in just 30 minutes, making it highly convenient for city dwellers and short-distance commuters alike. Inside, the E208 features Peugeot's latest iCockpit layout, which continues to impress with its compact steering wheel, digital head-up display, and centrally positioned touchscreen infotainment system. The interface has been refined to be more intuitive, now including wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as updated navigation and over-the-air software updates. Build quality is premium for its class, with soft touch materials, ergonomic seating, and ambient lighting, creating a cozy and technologically advanced cabin. Driving the E208 is an enjoyable experience thanks to its responsive handling and compact dimensions. It excels in urban environments, easily weaving through traffic and tight spaces, yet it remains comfortable on longer motorway journeys. Regenerative braking enhances efficiency and allows for a smoother driving style, adjustable to the driver's preference. Noise insulation has also been improved, giving passengers a quieter, more refined ride than before. Safety-wise, the 2025 Manfi 208 is well equipped with an array of features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and traffic sign recognition. These driver assistance systems elevate the car's practicality, making it a strong choice for new drivers and families looking for peace of mind. In terms of sustainability, Peugeot has focused on environmentally responsible production methods and materials, integrating recycled components and offering full traceability of battery sourcing. This commitment aligns with the broader Stellantis Group's push toward carbon neutrality, making the E208 a more responsible choice in the current automotive landscape. Overall, the 2025 Peugeot T208 emerges as a highly polished and well-rounded electric hatchback. It's not just an upgrade, it's a statement from Peugeot that urban electric mobility can be fun, stylish, and sustainable. Whether you are transitioning from petrol to electric for the first time or looking for a more compact second car, the E208 offers a smart package that's hard to ignore in 2025.